In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history on Google Chrome laptop. If your browser feels cluttered or you simply want a fresh start, clearing your search and browsing history in Chrome is quick and straightforward. Start by opening Google Chrome on your laptop. Look to the very top right corner of the window and find the three-dot menu icon. This is Chrome's main menu, and it's where most settings and tools live. From there, move your mouse down to History, and then click History again in the sidebar that appears. This opens the History page, where you can see a list of sites you've visited and searches you've performed. Don't worry, you don't need to scroll through everything manually. On the left side of this page, you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Depending on your version of Chrome, it might say Delete Browsing Data, but it's the same tool. When the Clear Browsing Data window opens, you'll notice two tabs, Basic and Advanced. The Basic tab keeps things simple. At the top is Time Range. Click that drop-down and choose how much you want to delete. If you just want to wipe a recent session, last hour or last 24 hours works well. If you're cleaning up a longer trail, last 7 days or last 4 weeks may be enough. To remove everything stored in your current browser profile, select All Time. Below the time range, make sure Browsing History is checked. That's the item that removes the list of sites you've visited, including your search history tied to this browser. You might also see options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Those are optional and can sign you out of websites or clear saved images to free up space. But today, we're focusing only on browsing history. Once you've confirmed the time range and that browsing history is selected, click Delete Data. On some versions, the button may say Clear Data. It performs the same action. Chrome will process for a moment, and then your history for the chosen time range will be removed. You may notice fewer suggestions in the address bar afterward, since those are often pulled from past visits. A quick note, if you're signed into Chrome and syncing your history, clearing it here typically removes it across your synced devices as well. If you prefer to keep your log on another device, consider turning off sync before you clear data. And remember, we didn't touch cookies in this walkthrough, so you should remain signed in to most sites. That's it. Clean, simple, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clutter-free browsing.